All right, let's go ahead and start with this. You always say we want storms, right?
Yeah.
We would love it.
You know we do.
Could we handle this? We take a look at what kind of year Boston has had.
That's
and
incredible.
Isn't
Yeah,
it,
they've
though?
had-
So this is one, just look at the picture for a second. This is not like some picture from the 1920s. It's all black and white. You're like, oh, remember back in the day in Boston. Yeah, no, not the case. Take a look at this. We've got a pretty good ridge of high pressure over the west throughout much of the winter, you guys. But that trough over the east has delivered near constant storms. And not only have we had regular storms across the east coast and especially coastal areas near Boston, but they have been powerful storms as well. They've had 78 inches of snow so far this winter in Boston, and it's not over yet. What does it look like when you get that much snow? Well, don't forget to roll the old windows up because you're going to have a major league issue. This is from a couple weeks ago. Check this guy out. Where do you even begin when you've got this much snow sitting there? And then, of course, a big deal in Boston is snow melting because they've got to melt a lot of this snow because they don't have space for it. Unbelievable stuff. And a little cherry on top, you guys. This weekend, while we have, well, not record temperatures, but really warm temps. Here we go again. Blizzard warnings along the coast to include the Boston area for the weekend. Wicked winds, wicked bad winds, guys. Really bad. All right, we're talking a foot of snow here. And if you go inland a little bit into New England, winter storm warnings. So they continue to get all the storms. We don't get so much. 47 degrees in the metro area. Winds out of the east at 8 miles an hour. Temperatures across the north, 30s and 40s. Down to the south, temperatures for the most part in the 40s as well. Not much going on cloud cover wise at this point. In fact, tomorrow looks like a very good day. We will start to see some changes, though, by Sunday. So look for a nice day tomorrow with those temperatures topping out in the 60s. Then by Sunday, we drag a little bit of a cold front into the northeast. That'll knock down temps a little bit. We'll see clouds, at least a few more of them, across southern New Mexico on Sunday. And then as we get into next week, we do have the chance to change things up a little bit here with some snow off to the north and east. But here's the problem, the trending on this storm. We talk about trends. Trends matter in weather. And the trends that we're looking at with this next system coming in are not good. This is what the track of that system looked like on Tuesday. It looks like it would come down into the state here. Widespread possibility of snow showers and heavy mountain snow. Now the track, looks like it's going to be a northeast scraper with not as much precip across the rest of the state. Last Tuesday, or this past Tuesday rather, looked like we'd have some really cold air across the state here throughout a good portion of New Mexico. We'd have trouble getting into the 30s. Now, not frigid air by any stretch, more cool across the east and maybe near normal temperatures here in the metro area. And finally, the winds look like they could be a real issue across the metro area heading into Tuesday and Wednesday. Now we'll have breezy conditions across the area here. So you can see the trend and the direction we're heading in on this storm. Now, could it change? It absolutely could. Last week's storm did and end up being a pretty good storm for the northern mountains. So we'll wait and see what happens. But overall, I don't like the direction this thing's heading in, at least for next week. 58 Pagosa Springs, 60 in Durango, 63 in Cortez. A lot of sunshine on the way. In the northwest, warmer days and lots of sunshine. 66 in Grant, 63 Farmington, and out in Gallup, 67. Over to the southwest, plenty of sunshine here. High 60s, Las Cruces, TRC, and Socorro. Some more clouds for Monday, but probably not much more. Across the southeast, warming up with plenty of sunshine. We will see the temperatures dip heading into the beginning of next week, but that's probably about it. Some more clouds and likely not to see a whole lot in the way of showers. Same deal across the northeast, although if we have a chance at some showers, this will be one area where we could see them on Tuesday, as well as the northern mountains where we could pick up a few inches of snow, especially at the resorts by Tuesday. But until we get there, very mild temperatures continuing in the mountains. So we will see more snow melt off this weekend. 60 Cedar Crest, 64 Estancia, and 63 in Moriarty. Shot at a shower or two by Tuesday. And finally here in the metro area, sunny and warm. A few more clouds for Sunday than we're going to see Saturday. And for the President's Day holiday, things looking pretty nice. 7-day forecast. Temps come down on Tuesday, but now you guys, no precip in the forecast.
Ooh, that's rough.
All right. Thank you, Mark.